kids, I hope you all are doing well. This is Mahima Budwani, your drawing teacher. So kids, in our today's class, we will continue the same topic, that is a tree house. So kids, this is what we have drawn in our previous class. Now before starting today's class, there are few instructions which you have to follow very carefully. Firstly, make sure your pencil should be sharpened. Secondly, you have to draw from the right hand. And thirdly, try to minimize the use of the eraser. So now firstly, what we will draw is, we will draw the grass field. For making the grass field, we will make few curves. So we will make curves like this. Now on both the sides we will make few bushes and flowers. Now firstly, for making the bush, what you have to do is you have to make V shape like this. Now after making the bush, now we will make the flowers. Firstly, make one curved line like this. Then in the center, make one small circle. Now we will make the flower petals. Now you can draw the flower petals in any shape you want. Just like this, we will make another flower. Firstly, we will make this stem. For that, you have to make one curved line. Then make one small circle in the middle. Then we will make the flower petals. Now after making the flowers, we will make the leaves. Now kids, on the right side also, we will make the bush and the flowers. For the bush, you have to make V shapes like this. Now we will make flower. For the stem, you have to make, we will make a curved line like this. Then we will make the flower. Now we have drawn the bushes and the flowers. Kids, in the tree, now we will make fruits. While I am making apple, you can draw any other fruit that you want. So I have made few apples in the tree. Kids, you don't have to make it at one place. You have to scatter them like this. Now what we will do is we will draw the leaves in the tree. So now we will draw the leaves. Again, you don't have to draw leaves at one place. You have to scatter them all over the tree. Now after making the leaves and the fruits, we will draw the clouds. For drawing the clouds, firstly you have to make one small sleeping line like this, and then we will make the curves. So like this we will make two clouds, one here and one on another side. So kids, that's all for today. We will continue this in our next class. Make sure your drawing should be neat and clean. That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. We will meet soon in our next class. Till then, keep practicing and drawing.